Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT write longer. Let's start. Log into your account, type your prompts such as "What is glass?" and hit the enter button. Now type "Generate more data on glass" or "Give me more on glass." ChatGPT will write longer. That's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.